It's hard to understand people when they're wearing a mask. Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to look at some examples of using an adjective plus to do. Before I said, it is hard to understand people when they are wearing a mask. We could also say, people are hard to understand when they are wearing a mask. In this situation, hard is an adjective. Let's look at some more examples. It's expensive to live in Tokyo. The exam was so difficult, it was impossible to answer all of the questions. Hannah has been all over the world and has a lot of stories. She's really interesting to talk to. We can also compare things using this grammar. Let's look at some examples. It's cheaper to take a bus, but it's faster to take a taxi. It's more relaxing to live in the countryside, but it's easier to find a job in the city. We say, it's nice of someone to do something. For example, it was really nice of you to give me a ride to the airport. We can also use words like kind, generous, careless, silly, stupid, or inconsiderate. Let's look at some examples. It was really stupid of me to go out last night. It was generous of the man to leave a big tip.
Give it a go. It's important to practice. Try making your own sentence and leave it in the comments below.
Is speaking English difficult for you? Hi, my name is Adam.
And my name is Tuan.
We are English teachers. In our new course on Udemy, we get out of the English classroom and get into the English gym. Let's stop studying and start training to improve our listening, speaking, and pronunciation. The goal of this course is simple: to improve your speaking, listening, and pronunciation. We do not stand in front of a whiteboard teaching grammar. In our videos, we use simple, easy to understand pictures to help you acquire English, not learn English. Here's a quick example.
Is she American too?
No, she's Japanese.
What does she do?
She's a nurse. We want you to have English skills for communication, not just English knowledge for test taking. By following along with our step-by-step training system, we are confident your English speaking, listening, and pronunciation will go to the next level. We hope you enjoy the lessons, and thank you for doing the Acquire English course. If you like our videos, please share them with a friend. We'd really appreciate it.